How to download and install Java on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your browser and search for Java JDK and open up the very first link that you will see in the search results, and this is where it will take you. Now over here you need to scroll down and select the latest version of Java. After that, select the operating system according to your needs and requirements, and in this video we will select Mac OS. Over here you would find different products or file descriptions, and you have to download the one which is compatible with your device. And for Mac it will depend whether you have the Intel chip or the Apple chip. For that, just simply click on the Apple logo on your Mac and click on About This Mac. Over here you will get this information whether you have Apple chip or the Intel chip. After that, if you have the Apple chip, go with this one, the ARM64 DMG installer. If you have the Intel chip, then go with DMG installer X64. And just simply click on this option of download and it will be downloaded quite easily. After that, just simply install it the way you install other softwares, and it is quite easy to do, and this way you would be able to download and install Java on your Mac. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.